are you? Hope all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. At the same time, how to enhance your knowledge. Are you following the online classes? Hope all are following. Okay. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the multiplication of integers. So far, we have learned addition and subtraction of integers. Right? Are you remembering? Okay. Now, let us go to multiplication of integers. Shall we? Okay. So, if you want to multiply 4 into 3. 4 threes are, we will multiply it by using the table, right? 4 threes are 12, we will write. But how can we do this multiplication on the number line? Have you learned it? Okay, you might have learned for whole numbers, right? Whole numbers multiplication is same for positive integers, because positive integers are whole numbers only. So, even though if you have studied, let us see how to multiply it. Okay, 4 into 3. What do you mean by 4 into 3? 3 units 4 times, right? That means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 units, how many times? 4 times. So, if you want to represent that on the number line, how we will show? So, let us take 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 1 unit. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 units are this one. This much is 3 units. Okay, here 3 units, how many times? 4 times. 3 units, 4 times same. Right or not? Okay, so that means every 3 units has to jump 4 times. Right? So, this is one jump. We will write 4, 5, 6. See, from here let us take another 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So here it is becoming another jump. How many jumps? 4 jumps. 3 number or 3 units is to jump 4 times. Okay, see, this is a one jump, this is the next jump. Okay, let us take again 7, 8, 9. So, 6 to 7, 1 unit, 7 to 8, 2, 8 to 9, 3 units. So, again, one more jump. Right? So, here how many jumps over now? 1, 2, 3. But how many jumps are needed? 4 jumps are needed. So, let us see one more 3 units. 10, 11, 12. So, 1, 2, 3. So, we got, for the next jump, we got 12. So, actually, what is 4 into 3? This is the representation for 4 into 3. When 3 jumped 4 times, finally it reached in 12, right? So, the answer is 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. This is the representation of that. In case if the number is 4 into minus 3, 4 into minus 3, how can we represent that one? Let us see. That means minus 3 units has to jump 4 times. Okay, let us represent that one. 0, this is a positive side. Okay, that is a positive side of the number line. Let us take the negative side also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, let us see now. The number minus 3 has to jump 4 times. Here, 4 into 3. That means the number 3 or 3 units has to jump 4 times. Here it is not like that. Minus 3 has to jump 4 times. So, this is minus 3, right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 3 units. Okay, minus 3 units. Not 3 units, minus 3 units. So, this is one jump. Again, one more jump. 1, 2, 3. So, this is the second jump. Again 3. 1 from here to here. 1 unit, 2, 3 units. Next again. 1, 2, 3. So, finally, where we got? We got in minus 12. So, what is the answer for 4 into minus 3? It's equal to minus 12. Is it possible always to draw the number line and do the calculation? It is difficult, right? So, we will be having some easy tricks for remembering how to multiply the integers. Okay, let us discuss that. You should always remember these 3 facts. Positive integer into positive integer is always equal to positive integer. That means the product of 2 positive integers is equal to a positive integer. At the same time, the product of 2 negative integers also a positive integer. Negative integer into negative integer, we will get positive integer. Then, when we will get a negative integer as the product, if one number is negative and one number is positive, we will get the answer as negative. A positive integer into a negative integer, or otherwise negative integer into a positive integer equal to negative integer. That means one number is positive and one number is negative, we will get a negative integer. Let us see examples also now. Okay, see here. Minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, what may be the answer? Already we learned that a negative integer into a negative integer. Here both numbers are negative integers. Minus 5 is negative, minus 5 is negative. So, we will get a positive integer only. And you know the table of 5, isn't it? 5 5s are how much? 5 5s are 25. So, we will write positive 25 plus 25. If the number is plus, no need to mention it as plus. 25 means that is plus 25 only. Let us take one more example. Minus 6 into minus 3. Minus into minus? Yes, positive. 6 3s are 18. So, in case of negative integer, negative into negative and positive into positive, that already you know because in whole numbers we do that one. 6 into 3, what is 6 3s are 18. Whole numbers multiplication already we learned. Okay. So, 6 3s are 18, a positive. 6 means that is a positive integer. 3 means that is a positive integer. Positive integer into positive integer is a positive integer. And the number 5 3s are 50. Okay, 5 is a positive integer, 3 is a positive integer, 15 is also a positive integer. That only saying positive integer into positive integer is positive integer only. That means we can show like this. Plus into plus equal to plus. Positive into positive is positive. Negative into negative equal to positive. That also positive. Then what will be the answer when one number is positive and one number is negative? If like this coming. Minus 5 into 5. One is negative, one is positive. So, minus, we already learned. Positive integer into negative integer. If a number is negative and one is positive, we will get the answer as negative. So, negative. Okay, negative 5 5 how much? Is 25. Okay, take one more example. Minus 8. 8 into minus 3. Okay, let us. 8 into minus 3. 8 is positive, 3 is negative. If one number is negative, we have to put minus symbol. And 8 3s are, you know, how much is 8 3s are? 8 3s are 24. So what can we write? Minus into plus is equal to minus, or plus into minus also. Minus into plus, that is also equal to plus into minus. So if one number is negative and one number is positive, we will get to the answer as negative. Understand? The product of two positive integers is a positive integer. The product of two negative integers is a positive integer. And the product of one positive integer and one negative integer will be a negative integer. Did you understand? We have to fill this blank. Minus 3 into what number gives the product as 27, means positive 27 or plus 27. The product is positive. When we will get a positive product? When the integers are either positive or both are negative, we will get a positive product. So we got a positive product now. So the numbers should be either both positive or both negative. So here one is negative. So this one should be compulsorily negative. Then only we will get a positive product. So it is negative, you understood. Now we know that how many 3's makes 27. You know the table of 3. Multiplication table of 3, you know. How many 3's make 27? 3 9's are 27. Okay, so answer is minus 9. Okay, got it? How to do it? See now, 5 into dash equal to minus 35. So the product is negative. So when we will get to the negative product? When one number is positive and one is negative, we will get a negative product. Are you following? So one is positive already. So the next number should be compulsorily negative. Since it is a negative product, we will get a negative product by multiplying a negative number and a positive number. That means one is positive and one is negative. We will get the answer as negative. So the answer is, the number is minus, that we understood. Now we know the table of 5. How many 5's make 35? 5 7's are 35. So what is the answer? 5 into minus. So like this you have to check all these numbers. See here, the answer is minus. The product is minus. So minus, when we will get minus? When one number is negative and one is positive, we will get minus. So one is negative already. So the next number should be positive, isn't? So since one is negative, one should be positive. So what is that positive number? How many 8's are 56? That you have to see. How many 8's are 56? 8 7's are 56. So what is our number? 7 is the number. Plus 7 is the number. Okay, next one more question. Here the product is positive. So first of all we should look into the product. Okay, here the product is positive. So how we will get the positive product? When two numbers are positive, a positive into positive is always positive. And when we multiply two negative numbers, negative into negative, then also we will get a positive number. So here one number is negative. So obviously the next number also should be negative. Then only we will get the positive answer. So negative. So this number also should be negative. Now we have to see how many 12's are 132. 12 11's are 132. So we got minus 11. Okay, now also let us discuss. When we are multiplying more than two numbers, what will be the product? Okay, now more than two negative numbers, let us take minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. What is the answer? Can you say? minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. There are more than 2 minus numbers. Okay. But we will do actually minus into minus. First this number we will take. These two we will take. What is the answer for this 1 into 1, 1? Negative number into negative number is always positive, that we know. Negative into negative, that is positive. Okay, now we have to multiply this number into minus 1. Okay, now we know that a positive number into a negative number, what is? That is a negative number. Okay, so what is the answer? A negative 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, let us take now 4 numbers to it. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, this one we know that this is plus 1. 1 into 1, 1, minus of minus. You know that minus into minus. The product of two negative numbers is a positive number. Here, this one also we can do. Negative into negative, plus 1. So this one we got as plus 1, this also we got as plus 1. Because the product of two negative numbers is positive only and the product of two negative numbers is positive. So both the numbers are positive. So we got the answer as positive. Okay, now let us take 5 numbers. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, what may be the answer, can you say? This one, minus 1 into minus 1, positive. Again, this one into this one, positive. Again, what we are having? Into, again minus 1 is there. Okay, 1 into 1 what? 1 into again negative 1. What we are getting? This is positive. Positive into negative, that is negative. So what is the answer? Negative 1. Okay, one more example we will see. We will take 6. In 3 times taken, here 4 times, then 5 times. Now let us take it 6 times. What is the pattern we will see? Okay, 6 ones I have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, see here. This one, positive 1. Okay, this one also positive 1. This one also positive. 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay. Did you observe any pattern here? Here you see there are 3 numbers. Number of negative integers which are multiplied is 3. Okay. 3 integers multiplied. Then we got a negative answer. Right? The answer is negative. Okay, look at this question. How many numbers are being multiplied? 4 negative integers are multiplied. When 4 negative integers are multiplied, we got a positive answer. Okay, see here, how many negative integers are being multiplied? 5 negative integers are being multiplied. So when 5 negative integers are multiplied, we again got a negative integer as the answer. Okay, then when 6 negative integers are being multiplied, we got a positive number as answer. Positive integer we got. So you see, observe this one. This is an odd number. This is also an odd number. When the number of integers which are multiplying, number of negative integers which are multiplying is odd, our answer will be negative. And observe this one, 4 and 6. We got, when there are 4 integers which are multiplied, we got positive answer. This one also, when there are 6 integers, we got positive answer. That means 4 is an even number and 6 is also even, isn't? It's an even number. 4 is an even number. 3 is an odd number. So when number of times, odd number of times numbers are negative integers are multiplying, you will get negative. And even number of times, if a negative integer is multiplying, we will get as positive. Can you tell the answer for what is minus 1 power 100? Means minus 1 should be multiplied 100 times. 100 times we have to multiply. 100 means odd number or even number? Yes, 100 is an even number. So what answer we should get? Plus 1 will be the answer. Minus 1 power 100 is equal to 1. Because 1 how many times you multiply? We will get only 1 only, right? Okay, let us also see. Then can you say what is minus 1 power 21? That means minus 1, a negative number is multiplying 21 times. You know that 21 is an odd number. So you should get the answer as negative. Okay, since 1 is multiplying, you will get 1 only, right? Okay, can you say the answer for minus 2 power 5? We know that 2 power 5 is equal to 32, right? 2 power 5 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 5 times. 2 power 5 means 2 power 5 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. But minus 2 we are multiplying minus 2, right? Minus 2 we are multiplying. But we know that if negative numbers we are multiplying odd number of times. 5 is an odd number of times. Odd number of times multiplying means we will get the answer as negative. Okay. Suppose minus 3 into minus 3 into 4 minus 4. Can you say the answer? We can say that this number of times 1, 2, 3 negative, all are negative numbers. How many times? 3 times are there. 3 times means odd number of times. So the answer will be negative. Okay, now we have to see the number. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Okay, this way we can find out. So if negative numbers are multiplying odd number of times, we will get a negative answer. And if the negative integers are multiplying even number of times, we will get a positive answer. And can you tell what we will get if a number is multiplied by 0? Any whole number multiplied by 0, we know that 0. Then what about an integer into 0? That is also 0. Okay, always if any number, whatever be the number, when it is multiplied by 0, we will get a 0 only. There are some more working problems on this multiplication that we will see in the next video. Okay.